my show YouTubers. I am Nitin Patra, the Rubik's Cube solver. So today what we are going to do is that today I am going to give a nice review on the best cube Moyu aolong V2 enhanced version stickerless. Okay? So first of all I will show you my Rubik's Cube collection. My first Rubik's Cube RS Negi 3x3 Rubik's Cube, which I brought from Amazon. It's just a normal Rubik's Cube. Okay, and the second cube is the mirror cube. It is a Shensho 3x3 mirror cube gold color. This also I got from Amazon. It's also a nice cube. And the next cube is 4x4 Rubik's Cube. It is the Go 4x4 Rubik's Cube, which I also again got from Amazon only. It's a very nice Rubik's Cube. Works very well, lubricated. Okay. And the next cube is the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. It's the Shensho 5x5 Rubik's Cube, which also I got from Amazon. It's a nice Rubik's Cube. You can see that the colors are very nice and it works really well. See, very nice. Okay, and the next cube which I got is my 2x2 Rubik's Cube, which is the Shensho 2x2 Rubik's Cube. This also I got from Amazon. So today, what's the great news is that I've got a new Moyu aolong. Okay, it is the V2 enhanced version stickerless cube. This I got on Saturday from Amazon. It's really very nice. So after opening the box, I've got a manual. You can see this manual contains algorithms and some pictures, and most of it is written in Chinese. Okay. And I think the algorithm is F12, OLL and PLL. Okay, and the next, let's keep this manual aside and take out the main Rubik's Cube. This is the Rubik's Cube. It's also very nice. It's very good, very fast. So you can see the corner cutting, 45 degrees corner cutting. See, you lightly also do, it will work. See. So today, as well as the review, I am going to compare my RS Negi Speed Cube and this Moyu aolong. Okay, both of them most probably look the same, but not the same. This is a 3-layer magic cube, and whereas this is not that. You can just take out the piece. You can see that space is left inside, but in this cube it's not like that. And the pieces are very different, not like this. So first I will see the corner cutting of this one. Okay, see, there is no corner cutting, so you can see that it's very bad, not good. It's good for beginners and it's very less price. Okay, now let's see the speed. Speed is also not good. You have to do so much. And there is some friction over here. Okay, now let's see the Moyu. Moyu has many things like the corner cutting. Such a nice corner cutting you have never seen. Okay, see, very nicely it's working. speed is also very nice, you will see. In this cube only, Lucas Setter has made his world record 4.9 seconds. You can see it is very fast it is. And this cube costs some 1699 rupees. So means 1700 rupees. Okay. So now what I am going to do is I am going to shuffle it and solve it. This cube is very nice. It's not good for beginners actually, because for beginners what's the problem is that it will take means it is good only but not so much, because they can't control actually this cubes. These types of cubes are a little hard for me also. I'm not that much professional, but it's a nice Rubik's cube. You can go for it. I just got for 1800 rupees in Amazon. And you can buy this in Cubelelo also. Cubelelo costs some 700 rupees. And this is a brand new USA product. See how solid. So YouTubers, what we have seen in this video today, that this Moyu aolong cube is a very nice Rubik's cube. So I recommend you for going to buy this Rubik's cube. It's really very nice. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon. Okay. Bye.